Accessible features that you would find at a playground would be a ramp to the playground itself. Another one that you would find is actually what the playground surface is made out of. So wood chips or rubberized surface, so it's hard enough that people can mobilize over top of it. And the next component would be the actual pieces of equipment. So for example, a merry-go-round that you can drive onto if you're in a wheelchair, or a bucket swing that you can transfer to and swing with your peers so that you're in with them as they're navigating the playground itself. Or you might have some sensory elements, so twist toys, mobile things that go up and down that make sound, etc. Those all three elements are part of what I would look for.
We're a part of a bigger picture of collaboration, and our part is to help them determine what pieces we can use for accessibility and making sure that we make the right decisions.
I think over the years we have built playgrounds with a particular model in place without considering all of our students, and more recently I think we've really geared and been more intentional about creating spaces where everyone can belong. That was the focus of our build, our design was, is this a place where all students can access? Is it a place where it's going to challenge kids, and a place where they can just come and be kids?